Howdy there, beautiful people of the internet. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you don't already know me, my name's Cam. I'm a travel and adventure photographer from Miami, but I'm not in Miami right now. I'm gonna spend the next few days exploring the Grand Teton National Park. We're gonna be visiting the greatest viewpoints and doing some of the best hikes in the park. If you're gonna spend a few days in the Grand Tetons, you should definitely watch this video. I do have a confession to make. I'm not in Wyoming yet. I'm actually in Idaho, but for good reason. I'm visiting Shoshone Falls, also known as the Niagara Falls of the West, on my way over to Grand Tetons. It's because I personally flew from Miami into Salt Lake City, and it was kind of on the way. I definitely recommend stopping by here if you do the same, or you fly into Boise, or you're driving in from anywhere west of Wyoming. So I'm here and the sun is slowly setting, so let's not waste any time and let's go check it out. Well, that was pretty beautiful if you guys ask me. Not that anyone can ask me because, well, I'm holding a camera. But pretty beautiful, a great way to start the trip. I'm gonna get going because I have another 4-hour drive to get over to Wyoming. So with that, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. And good morning, you gorgeous people, you. If you can't tell, we're here in the Grand Tetons. And the first stop of the day is none other than Mormon Row, which is one of the most photographed viewpoints in the park because you have this old rustic barn. I got here before the sun got up and took some videos and some pictures that I'm really excited about. It's just absolutely gorgeous out here. Definitely get here early if you want to get some nice pictures. The sun just hitting that mountain range just right. Check it out. Well, that is definitely a great way to start the morning. Right there at Mormon Row. Really, really pretty. And now we're getting into the very first hike of the trip. It was about an 8-minute drive from Mormon Row. We were at the Taggart and Bradley Lake trail loop. It's a big loop trail and it's about 6 miles according to all trails with a total of 700 feet elevation. I'm just starting out, but so far it's nice and easy and already just really pretty views. So come see this trail with me. Peekaboo. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Taggart and Bradley Lake loop. It was honestly a super beautiful hike and it wasn't so bad. I would say it was moderate to easy. 700 feet of elevation over 6 miles isn't too bad, but it's safe to say you'll definitely work up a good sweat doing it. Now I am here at Jenny Lake, another huge attraction in the Tetons, and there's a bunch of hikes to do here. You can hike to Hidden Falls on the Jenny Lake Trail or the String Lake Trail. It's a little bit later in the afternoon at this point, and I am just doing the Moose Pond Trail to hopefully see some mooses, meese, to see the moose. Anyways, it is maybe a 3-mile loop trail with little to no elevation, so I'm just taking it easy, and then we'll hit a sunset spot later. So check it out. And that is the Moose Pond Trail. And how cool is that? I got to see a little baby moose and a mama moose. Every review of the trail I've read, people are always saying that they always see moose there. So if you want to see moose, now you know where to go. And now we're going to head over to the Snake River Overlook for the sunset, get some pictures, some videos, and hopefully catch us a gorgeous little sunset. I'll see you guys over there after this sick transition. Okay, and we made it to Snake River Overlook, and it is looking gorgeous, but it is still just a little too light out, so we'll wait for the sun to die down. In the meantime, I'm just gonna post up right here, hang out, enjoy this epic view, and then it's game time. But for you guys, it's game time in 3, 2, 1. Hey, wake up, sleepyhead. We're here. We're at Schwabacher's Landing Overlook. A really nice little overlook trail that you can walk down. It's only like a 5-minute walk, and you get a really nice reflection of the beautiful Tetons in this river, in this body of water here. I made it here just in time for sunrise, but it was still too dark to start vlogging, and I really had to focus on getting some epic pictures and videos for you guys. So why don't you have a look? Wow, how beautiful was that? It was very beautiful. That's the only right answer. Now it is about 9 a.m. here in the Grand Tetons, and I'm actually picking up a special guest. Well, not really a special guest, just my friend Austin. You guys don't know him, but he is flying into Jackson Hole, which is 10 minutes from where I am. I'm gonna pick him up, and then we're gonna do the last hike of the trip. We're hiking to Delta Lake, which is the hike I'm most excited about. It looks incredible. It's probably one of the best, if not the best hike out here, but it is very hard, apparently. It's 2,300 feet of elevation, and it is about 7.5 miles total. But I am excited, nonetheless, to get up there. Hopefully we'll get some sunset views up there. So without further ado, let's head to the airport. There he is. It's awesome.
Arrived.
You made it.
I made it.
It's real.
I did the thing where you get on the plane, you have to get off it.
How was the plane ride?
It was good. Two flights.
Right here.
3 hours each.
Right into Jackson Hole.
Right into someone's hole.
What?
I don't know. It smelled like poop in there though. I'm getting in the car.
Okay, we have made it to the Delta Lake Trail, and we are starting our journey, our 7-mile journey. Well, it's really 3.5 miles to the top, 3.5 miles down. So far, so good. I will let you guys know when we get to the top. In the meantime, check out these dope trail views. Alright, well, after a long and grueling hike, honestly, one of the more intense hikes I've done for sure, we have made it, and it is so worth it. We are approaching the lake, and oh my. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the beautiful Delta Lake. I've never seen anything like it. Unfortunately, we didn't get the sunset that we wanted. It was very cloudy, but nonetheless, still gorgeous. And now we're making our descent down. Doesn't look so bad on the camera, but it is, I mean, it is very, very, very steep. If you're gonna do this hike, I think it took us around, what, like 3 hours? Around 3 hours to get up. Make sure you bring a lot of water and be prepared to bust your booty. Anyways, we're gonna hike down and get some much needed rest. And in the morning, try to catch another gorgeous sunrise before we leave the amazing Grand Tetons. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. And good morning. We are here at the Glacier View Turnout Overlook. Got here in time for the sunrise, and it's truly incredible. I don't think there's any bad views in this park. Anyways, check out the sunrise. And that, my beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen, is the sunrise at Glacier View Turnout. And that is going to conclude my time here in the Grand Tetons. And what a time it's been after a lot of research. Those are some of the best views, hikes, and trails to do in the Tetons if you have a few days. You can even spread it out if you have more days, because it was a pretty intense trip waking up early for the sunrises and doing some big hikes, but well worth it. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you plan your trip to the Tetons. If you had fun watching, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to see more content from me in the future, go ahead and just click that subscribe button for me. Or don't, but please do. It would help me a lot. I hope you guys all enjoy the rest of your day, or night, or morning. Always remember to travel safe and never stop adventuring. Love you guys. Peace.